I treat the pastel painting in very much in the same way that I do an oil painting. I do an initial block-in. My first stage is planning the work. I put quite a lot of time into planning out this scene, finding my reference material and drafting it so that I had a complete plan in mind before I started. And then I did a block-in. Now this is what I call the refining stage, and I'm going in with a paper stump and I'm blending this, making sure that I get some degree of subtlety to the work. I'm removing a lot of the obvious pastel look sitting on the paper and getting some of the pastel down into the pores of the paper. I'll go back over this with a detailing, but this is what I call the refinement. And I do the same thing with oil painting. After I've boldly put the paint in, I'll go in and I'll do a certain amount of blending. Now, I won't entirely blend every part of it, and this is very much an optional part of the painting. You can leave the work completely impressionistic just with the first block in and call it finished. It's a matter of taste, but I want to get a higher degree of light and shade and colour harmony working before this painting is done. So I'm doing the blending, and so there'll be 4 stages to this, not 4 layers of paint, just 4 stages. The plan, the block-in, the refinement, and then the detail. In doing this blending, you do lose a little bit, and that's why you do need to go back in. I'll still finish this painting with no more than 2 layers of paint of the pastel.